The first and simplest way is to use the cleaning mod. Make sure the machine is not in any slushy making mode before adding water. Pour fresh water into the vessel until it reaches the maximum water level. Select the cleaning mode and start it to clean the machine. The default cleaning time is 4 minutes. After the cleaning, press the handle to empty the water from the vessel. For a deeper clean, disassemble and wash each part. First, unplug the machine, then unlock the vessel and remove it. Remove the auger. Scrub the evaporator and its sealing ring with a clean, soft towel. Do not disassemble or pull on the seal ring, as this may cause deburnt and lead to water leakage. Pull out the water pan and pour out the liquid inside. Wipe down the area underneath the evaporator with a sanitized or warm, damp cloth. Remove the drip tray as needed. After disassembling the parts, you can either rinse them directly under a tap or place them in a container for soaking and cleaning. Once the cleaned parts are air-dried or dried with a towel, reinstall them in the machine.